Hey guys, so today we're making anti-aging face serum or face oil. The first ingredient you will need is your orange. We are going to be using orange zest in this formulation. So you collect your orange, wash them. Please use either salt or vinegar to wash the back of your orange like very well, because we are going to use this on our face, and the last thing you need is bacteria on your finished products, right? So wash your orange with salt water or vinegar and then collect the orange zest. As you can see, that's our orange zest right there. It look green. That's because the oranges are not completely ripe, but it's okay. We still get our finished product well. Like, we'll still get the benefits of the orange zest. Okay, we are double boiling this. That's the reason why I put it in a beaker. So I'm using sunflower oil. You can use okay, I will not say you can use any carrier oil of your choice, because this is face oil, so we need good oils, right? You can use either argan oil, rosehip oil, good face oils. And right there is our clove. Clove is very good when it comes to anti-aging, removing wrinkles, just like the lemon zest. They fight acne, they fight signs of aging and all of that. So after about 20 to 30 minutes, you remove your double boiler, you remove your oil on heat, and that is it right there. Right now the oil is scenting like lemon zest and cloves. Very good. Like, I love it. I love the scent. It's refreshing, right? So you strain your oil, okay, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Okay, just subscribe to this channel, like this video, please. Thank you. So we are done straining our oil. This is how it looks. Your oil is going to look cloudy, not clear. Like, we use clear oil and now we are getting back cloudy oil. That's to say that your oil have the lemon zest and the clove have infused really well. So right here we are putting our rosebud. I don't know, is it how to pronounce it? Rosebud, like dried rose buds. I think that is how to pronounce it. Okay, the reason is because this oil is going to stay for long in this container, so the rose buds will be infusing in the oil. And rose buds too are very, like rose, are very good when it comes to anti-aging, brightening, smoothening of the face. It's really good in this formula, so that's the reason why I'm using it. This face oil is very good. Like, it will brighten your face, not that it will whiten your face, but it will brighten your face. And the main thing is it will fight aging. Like, it will fight signs of aging and wrinkles and all of that. So that is our product. Bye.